Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. So I have a haul for you, but I want to show you something first. And I buy these they're called fabric gift bags from the Dollar Tree at Christmas time. They come like this. This is my friend's. She's going to have me do something with these, but these are the ones I like to buy. They're smaller, and I like to they're 6x4. There's 3 of them. They're really cute. Let me open. I had to go back and get me these. Sorry about the sound. So noisy. Sorry. So anyway, these are 3 gift bags. They come like this. And then what I do is I go into my Dollar Tree gems, and then I use my fabric tech, and then I do the gems on them, and then I fill them with goodies for Christmas. So I wanted to show you that. I will be doing this one for you right now so you can see. I won't do this one. This one takes a little bit too long. But my caregiver and friend asked me if I would do these for her. So I want to get the bigger gems. Sorry about this noise. I know it's noisy. I just want to get the bigger ones. They have these pearl ones. They have these square ones. And I don't want to use the pearls. Trying to find... There we go. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for... where are they? Thought I saw big ones. Well, those are hearts. We have hearts. I see some bigger ones at the bottom here, so I'm going to pull those out. There's only 2, I think. There's some of those. Those are pretty too. These are from the, what do you call it? I think I might use these. There's 3 bags? Oh no, 2 bags. Okay, that's okay then. I'll use that. These are from Hobby Lobby, and they got a real pretty, like, faceted look. And these are from, I'm sure it's the Dollar Tree. And I just bought more today thinking I didn't have enough. But I'm always using them, so it's good, like especially at Christmas. So what I do, she wanted big gemstones. So I'm going to use, this is the biggest I have. Let me see. It's kind of pretty. I might just use those, because those are real pretty. And it's only 2, so it's no big deal. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Okay, I'll use these. And so you take your fabric tack. If you can get it open. And just put some in the middle. It'll smush out. It will smush out. And then I always close it because then I get, you know, like a lava overflow. These are sticky on the back, but I prefer to make sure that I use the fabric tack. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. And it's big enough for this. So that looks good. So there's that one. And then this one. She was going to put some goodies in there for her family. So she doesn't have all the crafty stuff she knows I have. So I do that. Okay. So there's that. And then I will... What? Well, it doesn't matter if the glue comes off because we're gluing it on here. So that's it. Just press it in. It shouldn't really seep through. I don't know. I can't really get through to the bag, but I know that I can pull it apart this way to make sure. And this one too. Pull it apart to make sure. You probably want to stick a piece of parchment in the middle. These are not mine, so I didn't want to like cut it open and everything. I'm sure she wouldn't mind, but I didn't really want to cut it open. So that's all. That's all. That's easy peasy. And I have the other ones to show you, the blue ones. I don't know if they're right here. You guys, I have big mess on this side. So But I want to make sure to put these away because then I'm going to say I don't have them and I don't know where they are, which was the case is why I went to the Dollar Tree today. And I did buy some Christmas gifts and I bought some goodies and I bought a cute sign. I didn't take a picture of the sign, darn it. Maybe next time I'll have taken a picture and I could like show you guys what it looks like. So I'm going to move this out of the way. This is my red bling bag. I'll move that out of the way. And I'll move this out of the way and let it dry. And now I will show you my haul. So just a quick thing there. And I picked up some wrapping paper, tissue. Sorry, not wrapping, but gift tissue. And that's the gift tissue. It's so pretty. Look at this gold. And then this is like cream with little gold specks. So pretty. It says Merry Christmas with some little fern. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I got this really, really pretty red tissue with poinsettias. And I bought 2 of those. So got that. And that was good. And then I also picked up a few other things. My little neighbor girl has a birthday around this time. And so I like to buy her little presents. So I got her this little cooking set to cook. And then I got her, I got her a little jumbo coloring book. And this is cute. This is a paint, water brush paint. So she can paint. And then, something else. Well, I got her the bag. Isn't that cute? It says birthday girl. And then I got her a little card. Happy birthday to you with a little bear. So that's her birthday gift. I like to get it for her. I mean, she's so cute. She's going to be 4 this year. And then I bought her play school washable markers. So if she gets it on her clothes or on the wall, Mom could just clean it off and she won't hate me. So there you go. I got that. So that's for my little neighbor girl's birthday, which she's turning 4. And I just thought this was just cute. Just cute. So that's what got her. Last year I think I got a little doctor kit. And this year I got her that. And then, okay. So in the craft section, I found these cute little stickers. Like all these baking things. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's got birthday, bake. I love it. And then this side has crafting, sewing. I just got really excited. It was the only one there, so I got it. So where's that? And then, oh, one more thing for the little birthday girl. Look at this. Is this not adorable? Happy birthday. It's got a little thing she could wear on her birthday. Oh, so cute. Okay, I got carried away because I don't have any little ones anymore. And she is a sweet little girl. And anyway. And then I'm doing a special project. So I picked up tea light candles in gold. I picked up 6. Because that's how many, that's how many goodies I'm making. The other one's here somewhere. Well, I'll find the other 2. But anyway, I got the gold ones. And then you just open it and you can flip them on. It'll be very cute. For my nephew, I picked up a flashlight for his car. And he's in his early 20s. So I got him an air freshener for his car. And I got the batteries for the flashlight. So got that. And, oh, the bags. By the way, the bags. Oh, and I got him this. A 2-port car charger. So it's got 2 ports. And he could just stick it in his car. And he can always charge whatever. And, oh, the bags that I was telling you about. I did buy the green ones. Green is not my color. Okay, you guys. Green is not my color. But some people like green. So I got green. And I think I bought another one. Oh, I bought green. Bought these in green. And did I buy more? Oh, yes. Bought another one of the bags. More of the bags. But these have candy canes on them. So I got the candy canes and then the green ones. So I got plenty for goodie bags. And then I bought this for myself because I don't have it. This is a safety, what does it say? Safety scraper with blade. So if you need to like scrape something on a glass and get something off, I don't have one of these, and I've wanted to get one, so I found it and got it. And then, oh, here's the rest of the gold tea light candles. And then I did find more bling, and I bought 2 red and 2 blue. Now blue I'm low on, definitely low on blue. Obviously red I'm not low on, so I could use lots of red at Christmas and Valentine's, things like that. And then my granddaughter, she wanted jewelry stuff, so I bought her these pliers for jewelry. I bought her, these are the round ones, and these are the regular ones with teeth. And then I got her this little bracelet and necklace finding kit. She needs to get beads and stuff. Maybe I'll send her a little bag of beads. And then I found this. She's got a cat, so her cat is black. But these are like iron-on, so she might like these. I'll send those. And then I was thinking about Christmas, and we want to have a tamale party with my cousins, and if it all works out, it'll be great. So I found 2 packages of the plates, and I got 1 package of the napkins, which are nice, and those are nice. And I figured I'd get them now because I don't know if I'll find the same. I'll find the same pattern later. Now I found these. These are new, and they are these pillowcases. They're almost 16 inches. So I'm going to open them down here so it won't be so noisy. I'm sorry, I should have opened them first. I hate the sound of all the crinkly stuff. I think the one of them is going to not be at my house, though. One's going to go away. But I want to show you. It's really cute. I don't know if you can see that, but it is cute. So I like this plaid part. So I have a different one. I think it has candy canes. So I'm going to use these, the candy cane one and this one. And I think this is the one I'm going to give away to family. I can open it. This one's kind of nice. It's got a red truck. Farm Fresh, it says. So I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of cool. Of course, it needs some bling right there. I need some bling because those are lights, so it has to have bling. But anyway, that's that. And I think I'm going to give that one away to a family member. And I think they'll like it. So that's it. That's what I got. I'm working on makes, lots of Christmas makes. I'm trying to get things done. And I just had to go to the Dollar Tree for these. Oh, no, not for these. I actually just went for these. But I came out with all that. So I just wanted to share it. And that's it for now. I got more stuff to share later. And I think that's it for now. I hope you guys are having a good day. I am feeling okay today. So I just thought I'd make this video. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. And I'll see you guys in the next video.